Do you feel like you don't speak enough Norwegian? That you need to know more words? Then stick around. With these lessons, you'll pick up some of the most common words in just a few minutes. Now, this video is a small portion of our learning program. To get the full lessons, translations, and Fluency Fast study tools, click the link in the description and sign up for your free lifetime account. Hi everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to Conversational Phrases. We've found that the best way to learn a language is to speak it from day one. And the best way to start speaking is to learn phrases that you'll use in real conversations. Now, let's take a look at some conversational phrases.
Listen to the dialogue.
Hva jobber du med? Jeg en kunstner.
Listen to it again, now with the English translation.
Hva jobber du med?
What do you do?
Jeg en kunstner.
I'm an artist. First of all, you need to learn how to say, what do you do? That's.
Hva jobber du med?
Listen to it again.
Hva jobber du med? Hva jobber du med?
This Norwegian sentence literally translates into, what are you working on? What is your job? But it means, what do you do in English? Now, how do you answer this question? This is the pattern you'll need.
Jeg en.
Your occupation. I'm an, your occupation. For example, I'm an artist.
Jeg en kunstner. Jeg en kunstner.
Now, listen to some examples.
Hva jobber du med? Jeg en lærer. Hva jobber du med? Jeg en lege. Hva jobber du med? Jeg en ingeniør.
Listen to the dialogue.
Hvordan har moren din det? Hun har det bra.
Once more with the English translation.
Hvordan har moren din det?
How's your mother?
Hun har det bra.
She's fine. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say, how's your mother? That's.
Hvordan har moren din det?
Listen to it again.
Hvordan har moren din det? Hvordan har moren din det?
This Norwegian sentence literally means, how has your mother it? But it translates as, how's your mother in English? Now, how do you answer this question? The pattern is,
Hun har det.
state of well-being. This Norwegian sentence literally means, she has it, state of well-being, but it translates as, she is state of well-being in English. For example, she's fine.
Hun har det bra. Hun har det bra.
Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
Hvordan har moren din det? Hun har det flott. Hvordan har moren din det? Hun har det noenlunde. Hvordan har moren din det? Hun har det ikke bra.
Listen to the dialogue.
Hva galt?
Kontoret varmt.
Once more with the English translation.
Hva galt?
What's the matter?
Kontoret varmt.
The office is hot. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say, "What's the matter?" That's.
Hva er galt?
Listen to it again.
Hva er galt? Hva er galt?
This Norwegian sentence literally translates into, "What's wrong?" but it means, "What's the matter?" in English. Now, how do you answer this question? The pattern is
Kontoret er.
adjective. The office is adjective. For example, the office is hot.
Kontoret er varmt. Kontoret er varmt.
Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
Hva er galt?
Kontoret er kaldt.
Hva er galt?
Kontoret er bråkete.
Hva er galt?
Kontoret er skittent.
Listen to the dialogue.
Hvordan sier man dette? Man sier parkeringsplass.
Once more with the English translation.
Hvordan sier man dette?
How do you say this?
Man sier parkeringsplass.
It's parking lot. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say, "How do you say this?" That's.
Hvordan sier man dette?
Listen to it again.
Hvordan sier man dette? Hvordan sier man dette?
This Norwegian sentence literally translates into, "How does one say this?" but it means, "How do you say this?" in English. Now, how do you answer this question? The pattern is
Man sier
word. This Norwegian sentence literally translates into, "One says word," but it means it's word in English. For example, it's parking lot.
Man sier parkeringsplass. Man sier parkeringsplass.
Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
Hvordan sier man dette? Man sier sjiraff. Hvordan sier man dette? Man sier reise. Hvordan sier man dette? Man sier invasjon.
Now, if you're wondering how to remember these words forever so that you can start speaking more and more, here's how. 1. Review them with our spaced repetition flashcards. Our flashcards will drill these words into your long-term memory. 2. Save the words to our word bank, your personal collection of words, where you can print out physical study sheets. And 3. Watch our looped vocabulary slideshows on repeat until you understand every word. You'll find these tools inside our learning program. Just click the link in the description to get them.
Listen to the dialogue.
Hva er favorittallet ditt? Det er 7.
Once more with the English translation.
Hva er favorittallet ditt?
What's your favorite number?
Det er 7.
It's 7. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say, "What's your favorite number?" That's.
Hva er favorittallet ditt?
Listen to it again.
Hva er favorittallet ditt? Hva er favorittallet ditt?
This Norwegian sentence literally translates into, "What is favorite number your?" but it means, "What's your favorite number?" in English. Now, how do you answer this question? The pattern is
Det er
number. It's number. For example, it's 7.
Det 7. Det 7.
Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
Hva favorittallet ditt?
Det 2.
Hva favorittallet ditt?
Det 4.
Hva favorittallet ditt?
Det 9.
Listen to the dialogue.
Hvilken type filmer liker du?
Jeg liker skrekkfilmer.
Once more with the English translation.
Hvilken type filmer liker du?
What kind of movies do you like?
Jeg liker skrekkfilmer.
I like horror movies. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say, what kind of movies do you like? That's,
Hvilken type filmer liker du?
listen to it again.
Hvilken type filmer liker du? Hvilken type filmer liker du?
This Norwegian sentence literally translates as, what kind of movies like you? But it means, what kind of movies do you like? Now, how do you answer this question? The pattern is,
Jeg liker.
type of movie. I like type of movie. For example, I like horror movies.
Jeg liker skrekkfilmer. Jeg liker skrekkfilmer.
Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
Hvilken type filmer liker du?
Jeg liker komedie.
Hvilken type filmer liker du?
Jeg liker fantasy.
Hvilken type filmer liker du?
Jeg liker romantikk.
Listen to the dialogue.
Hvilke planer har du for karneval?
Jeg planlegger å dra til stranden.
Once more with the English translation.
Hvilke planer har du for karneval?
What are you doing for carnival?
Jeg planlegger å dra til stranden.
I'm planning to go to the beach. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say, what are you doing for carnival? That's,
Hvilke planer har du for karneval?
in Norway, carnival is a celebration mostly held in kindergartens and elementary schools and mostly involves dressing up in costumes and masks. Listen to it again.
Hvilke planer har du for karneval? Hvilke planer har du for karneval?
This Norwegian sentence literally translates as, what plans have you for carnival? But it means, what are you doing for carnival? Now, how do you answer this question? The pattern is,
Jeg planlegger å
plan. This Norwegian sentence literally translates as, I planning to plan. But it means, I'm planning to plan. For example, I'm planning to go to the beach.
Jeg planlegger å dra til stranden. Jeg planlegger å dra til stranden.
Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
Hvilke planer har du for karneval? Jeg planlegger å reise. Hvilke planer har du for karneval? Jeg planlegger å bli hjemme. Hvilke planer har du for karneval? Jeg planlegger å dra på kino.
Now, let's take a look at some conversational phrases.
Listen to the dialogue.
Hei, jeg vil gjerne snakke med ansvarshavende.
Greit, bare et lite øyeblikk.
Once more with the English translation.
Hei, jeg vil gjerne snakke med ansvarshavende.
Hello, I'd like to speak with the person in charge.
Greit, bare et lite øyeblikk.
Okay, just a moment. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say hello on the phone. That's
Hei. Hei.
Then you'll need to learn how to say, I'd like to speak with person. The pattern is
Jeg vil gjerne snakke med.
person. This Norwegian sentence literally translates as, I would please speak with person, but it means, I'd like to speak with person. For example, hello, I'd like to speak with the person in charge.
Hei, jeg vil gjerne snakke med ansvarshavende. Hei, jeg vil gjerne snakke med ansvarshavende.
Now, how do you answer this question?
Greit, bare et lite øyeblikk.
Okay, just a moment. Listen to it again.
Greit, bare et lite øyeblikk. Greit, bare et lite øyeblikk.
Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
Jeg vil gjerne snakke med en salgsrepresentant.
Greit, bare et lite øyeblikk.
Jeg vil gjerne snakke med daglig leder.
Greit, bare et lite øyeblikk.
Jeg vil gjerne snakke med kundeservice.
Greit, bare et lite øyeblikk.
Remember, here's what you can do to learn all of these words by heart. Drill these words with our spaced repetition flashcards, which will help cement these words into your long-term memory. Save them to the word bank, your personal vocabulary collection, where you can print out your own study sheets, or review the words with our looped vocabulary slideshow, and play it until you know all of the words. So click the link in the description right now and sign up for your free lifetime account to get these lessons and study tools.